go back to Madhurima. There is another update coming in from the Supreme Court, where now the Supreme Court has said that it will now form a committee to resolve the issue. The committee will include members of the Kisan unions, and this will also soon, the CJI has said, will become a national issue. And now that's the reason why, for the farmers' deadlock, the Supreme Court has intervened. And they have stated that they will now form a panel to resolve the issue. All of you need to sit together and prepare a list of tentative committee members. And this is what the CJI has stated while, in fact, announcing and dictating the order. The matter is now will be heard tomorrow, where the Supreme Court says that it will be forming a committee to resolve the issue. The committee will also include members of the Kisan unions, and they have also been made party to the case and the plea that has now been filed with the Supreme Court for the removal of the farmers from the border areas. And the panel will include Kisan unions as well. The CJI has in fact intervened and stated that all the parties involved need to sit together and prepare a list of tentative committee members. And how will they really resolve this? And they have in fact observed, the CJI has observed, that this can soon become a national issue as well. We'll also shortly go back to my colleague Nalini, who's getting us these updates from the Supreme Court. So this is certainly a big breaking update coming in, that the Supreme Court has now said that it will be forming a committee to resolve the issue. In a way, the Supreme Court has now intervened in the matter, even as the farmers' agitation has now entered day 21. In fact, the Supreme Court has now monitored the situation and stated that the Supreme Court will now monitor the panel for the deadlock that is still underway. They have now sought a list of tentative members of the committee. Nalini, coming to you now. Nalini, over to you. Please share this latest breaking update coming in.
It's a big development.
All right, we'll go back to my colleague Nalini and fix that audio as well. But this is certainly a big news coming in from the Supreme Court, where a plea was filed by a law student seeking the removal of the farmers who have been in a deadlock with the centre. Their agitation has now entered day 21, and the Supreme Court has now stated that it will form a committee to resolve the issue. The committee will include members of the Kisan unions, and the Kisan farmer unions have been made party to the case as well. Going back to my colleague Nalini joining us over the phone line. Nalini, over to you. Please share more.
Yes, Risha, well, it's a big development coming in with the Supreme Court saying that they are officially going to step in and they are going to be forming a committee to resolve this entire deadlock that has been consisting between the farmers as well as the government for the past 21 days now. And the Supreme Court clearly said that the farmer unions along with the government need to sit together and they need to come up with names of the committee members. And the hearing has been scheduled for tomorrow, while they've also asked for the farmer unions to be included as parties to the proceedings so that the farmer unions can also put forth their stand before the Supreme Court on this entire issue, while also asking who the tentative representatives from the government side should be, because the committee will consist of some of the leaders of the farmer union, is something that the Supreme Court made it clear, but they'll also have representatives from the government and possibly mediators that can resolve the entire issue by holding a dialogue and discussions between both sides. So tomorrow is when we're likely to find out exactly what this committee is going to consist of, and how many members are going to be there, and exactly how this is going to go forward. The Supreme Court categorically said that the hearing will happen tomorrow, and by tomorrow the names have to be submitted after all the parties have sat together and decided who all can be a part of this committee.
In fact, Nalini, taking from the arguments that happened between Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who has reiterated in front of the Supreme Court as well as to how the centre has made their attempts to speak to the farmer unions, but he has also mentioned how they have turned their backs and remained adamant on their matter as well. If you can also take our viewers to the arguments that were made in the court today.
Correct, Risha. So essentially the Chief Justice of India-led bench had asked the Solicitor General as to what efforts had been made from the government side to resolve this entire deadlock. Because what the Chief Justice had said was that essentially it was the Delhi police that was blocking the roads by putting the barriers and not allowing the farmers to enter the national capital. So the roads were essentially being blocked not only by the farmer unions but the Delhi police as well, which is why the Solicitor General was asked exactly what efforts were made from their side to ensure that this entire issue had resolved. And that is when the Solicitor General spoke about how there were meetings that were held between the farmer union leaders as well as the central government. And in fact, even the railway minister, the agricultural minister and the home minister had all met the farmer union leaders. But the farmer union leaders only wanted to decide as to whether or not the laws will be repealed or not in a yes or no dialogue. And there was no scope for a negotiation or a discussion to really happen on a clause-by-clause basis, which is why there was essentially a deadlock and they were not able to move forward in a discussion as to whether or not there should be any amendments that need to be brought to these laws.
All right, so Nalini, the latest that we are picking up and a big development coming in is that the Supreme Court has now ordered a formation of a panel and asked for the farmer unions to be made party to the proceedings. This also means that the Supreme Court is taking stock of the situation themselves, in a way intervening into the matter, because they have witnessed in the past 21 days how the deadlock between the farmer unions and the farmer and the centre remains as it is. So are we expecting a breakthrough or in a way some kind of a positive outcome out of this?
Well, definitely, Richa, because this essentially means that the matter has now been taken over by the Supreme Court, with not only the government side being put forth, but also the fact that the farmer unions have been implemented to the hearing, which means that they will also be asked exactly what their stand is to these entire proceedings. So the Supreme Court, it's fair to say that the Supreme Court officially stepped in to see exactly what needs to be the future course forward. And the reason why the Chief Justice of India has said it in as many words that there will be a formation of the committee even before a response has been given by the farmer unions is because the Chief Justice also observed that this is an issue that is going to become a national issue soon. It's not going to die down anytime soon, which is why it is important and pertinent that the Supreme Court step in and take matters into its own hands.
And that's essentially what Nalini, the Supreme Court also stated, and they have issued notices to the farmer unions and asking them to bring their stand now in the entire matter in front of the Supreme Court. And in fact, the permission to implead the farmer unions have also been allowed. This means that this is not just the Supreme Court, it has in a way stated that this is not just about the removal of the farmers from the border areas that they are protesting, but also solving the larger issue here. That is the deadlock that remains between the centre and the farmer unions. Nalini, if you can hear me, this is certainly a resolution that the Supreme Court is looking at by making the farmer unions party to the entire case, by calling in and making their stand clear in front of the Supreme Court, because this is not just about the removal of the farmers. But before that, we have another breaking update, big breaking updates coming in at this hour. This is certainly a big news coming in.